Hi, welcome to this course on C programming tutorial for absolute beginners. C is a very powerful functional programming language that's widely used and that has influenced many other languages. Most of the programming languages popular today are either direct descendants of C or are heavily influenced by C. In this course, I will show you the basics of C program, and then we will dive into the details of data types, strings, and variables. Then I will show you how these basic ideas fits together with control structures like loops and if statements. After that, we will take a look at how C organizes informations in arrays and how it manages memory using pointers. Throughout the course, I will emphasize good functional programming practices. Learning C is a great first step if you are a new programmer and a very good way to broaden your knowledge if you have already been programming for a while. So let's get started with C programming tutorial for absolute beginners.
What you need to program C. Now there are two basic things you need to program C. One is the editor. Editor helps you to write your code, right? And second thing is called compiler. Compiler is a small program, or you can say it's a small tool which converts your program to the machine language, right? Because the program or whatever your computer doesn't understand this C program which you write. This C program is just the interface of which you write, and it's easier to understand programming when you program in C. But your computer just understands zeros and ones. So this compiler will convert your program which you write in C into the machine language so that it can execute your program. So these are the two things which you require. Now in order to get these two things, they can be obtained free in different ways. There are different IDEs. IDEs stand for Integrated Development Environment, which helps you to write your code. And I'm going to show you how you can install this IDE, which is free to use. And let's see how to install this IDE first. So just open your favorite browser and just search for code blocks. And the first link you will see here, not this, but only the code blocks. So search for the code blocks, and the first link here you will find is www.codeblocks.org. This is the website which hosts this program called code blocks, and it's a IDE. So you can see the open source cross-platform free C, C++ and Fortran IDE. So C is included in this. And why I am recommending this code blocks to you, because it's cross-platform. That means you can get this on Windows, Mac OS or Linux operating system, and it's open source, so you can get it for free, right? Now how to download this? You can just click this downloads button here or downloads button here. I will click this downloads button here, and there are some options which you can download. There is option to download binary release, download the source release, or retrieve source code from Subversion SVN. What link we are interested in right now is this one, download the binary release. Just click this link, and in here you will find few options. because I will be showing these tutorial on Windows, I will install this version, Windows 2000/XP/Vista 7 or 8. Just click this link and then you will see these three options to install. One is only code blocks, which is the IDE which will help you to write your code. Second link will provide you the compiler also. So just search for the link which has mingw in it, okay, which is the center link. Code blocks 13, and when at the time of making this video, code blocks 13 is the newest version. And just search for this word, mingw. Mingw is a compiler which will help you to compile your program, as I have said. So it's including your compiler and editor both, and we want this version, right? So just click this one link, either this or this. I will just click sourceforge.net link, and then it will be downloaded in few seconds, and download will be completed in a few minutes, because it's not a small file, it's 97 MB file, so it will take some time to download. So just wait for this to download, and I will pause the video, and I will continue once this file is downloaded, and I will show you how you can install it. So now this download is complete, so we are going to install this code blocks in our Windows operating system. I will just click this executable which I have downloaded, and then the install will start, and it says welcome to setup. Just click next, and you just read the agreement, and if you agree, just click I agree and click next. And this is the location where code blocks will be installed. Just leave it as default, click install, and the installation will not take much time. It will be installed really fast. You can see the code blocks icon here, which you can click to open code blocks IDE, and you can see it's installing really fast. So I don't think it will take so much time to install this IDE. And this code blocks IDE, you can use it for programming other languages also, like C++ or Fortran also. So in this way it's really good. Now if you don't have a Windows operating system, you can download this IDE on Linux also, or Mac OS also. It's available for all these three major operating systems. Now it says the installation is done, I think. And do you want to run code blocks? Yes, I want to run, and it will run code blocks, and it says something. I will click OK, and here the installation is complete, so I will click next, and I will finish. And you can see here code blocks is currently not a default application for C and C++. Do you want to make it for as default? If you wish, you can make it as default, or you can leave this. So I will just close it for now. I don't want to make it as default, but in this way you can install it.
Hello guys, welcome to the second video tutorial on C programming for beginners. In the last video I have shown you how you can download code blocks, which is a C++ IDE in which we are going to develop our C code, and we are going to compile and run and test our code using this code blocks.